Hello everybody. Today I will tell you how you can host your static website in Amazon S3. Okay, S3 in simple storage service. Simple. Okay, so you have multiple options like you can host your website in EC2 also, but simple storage service is the easiest way. Okay, just you have to create your bucket. Okay, here you can give your website, my website. Okay, where you want to host your reason. Okay, ALSI disable it, ACL and bucket owner, public access, versioning. If you have the multiple version of your file, you can give enable it. Okay, anything else? No. Create bucket. Okay, what? I acknowledge the current setting. Okay, by mistake. Create bucket. Now your bucket has been created. Okay. Sorry for the name. Okay, now you have to upload your files. Okay, so here is my file. Okay, index.html, css, image and json. Just select this one and drop it. Through command line also you can do this one, but drag and drop is the easiest way you can do. Okay, just upload it. It will take some time to upload all this. Succeed. If everything is succeed, then we will move forward. Now everything is done. Now we go to our bucket. Here is our all the files. Okay, now go to permissions. Okay, here the public enable access bucket, make it public. Okay, so here is all the public. If you go down, not permission, properties. Okay, in properties there is in the bottom you will get the static website hosting. Okay, edit, make it enable. Okay, host static website, as Amazon will give you the link to URL, and here you have to give your HTML page, index.html, and no worry if you don't have an error.html file, just give a name. Okay, error.html name, that's all. Save changes. Now if you go down again, you will get your link, copied it and paste in a web browser. Okay, giving the access denied. Check. Oh, sorry, by mistake. You have to make public all your files. Okay, so here is our all file. Okay, go to action, make public using ACL, make public. Okay, once it is public, refresh it. Now your website is up and running. You can share your this URL in your LinkedIn, in your resume, you can mention it. This is how you can host your static website in Amazon S3. Okay, simple and easy. Within a minute you can host your website. Okay, if you have any doubt and anything you are not able to do, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye.